Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you are a long-time subscriber, you might already know that I like sharing my experiences of different dashcams with you guys. Today's dashcam market is very competitive and each brand is releasing new dashcams with latest sensors and packed with features. I have been using 70mm dashcams in my car for the past 6 months. During this time, I did not face any problems while using them, and I am quite satisfied by their performance. Recently, they have released a new version of their Omni series dashcam, the 70mm 4K Omni X800. It is available on Amazon for about $330, which is quite steep, but these days you can get it cheaper with introductory coupon offers. This dashcam provides a 360-degree view by rotating. It supports 5 GHz wireless connectivity, records in 4K up to 60 FPS, dual-channel HDR, and it has STARVIS 2 sensors for the front and rear camera both. In addition to this, it supports AI motion detection and features like ADAS. In today's video, I will be sharing my experience of this dashcam with you guys. So let's unbox this dashcam, explore its specifications and features, install it in a car, and see its actual performance on the road. Inside the box, you will get a front dash camera, a rear camera, a cable for connecting to the rear camera, a cigarette lighter power adapter for charging the camera, and it has another USB-A port that you can use for any other device. You will get another USB cable for providing power to the dashcam, a tool for managing the cable. You will also get an SD card with a capacity of 128 GB. Electrostatic stickers for the front and rear camera. You will get 2 additional for both of them. You will get some documentation related to this dashcam along with the manual of the front and rear camera. You will also get 2 additional double-sided adhesive stickers for the front and rear camera. For an additional cost, you can get a CPL filter, which will minimize reflections and improve the image quality. For an additional cost, you can also get a 4G hardwired kit. With the help of this kit, you can control this dashcam from anywhere. It requires a data-only SIM card. This dashcam has some weight to it, and it seems to be built by premium quality materials. And when I shook it, there was no rattling sound. This means it has a solid build as well. The top of this dashcam is made of some glossy metal. The middle seems to be made of some matte gray plastic, and the bottom, which rotates, is made of glossy black plastic. This dashcam has a 146-degree wide-angle lens and a rotatability of 340 degrees. So in this way, when it rotates, a whole 360-degree view can be captured. It has a Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 image sensor. I will talk about its performance ahead in this video while doing the road test. Along with the horizontal angle, you can adjust the vertical angle of this dashcam, but you can only do that manually. This dashcam also has a mount, and you can detach it easily. This dashcam has a 1.4-inch screen, and you can navigate through the settings menu using these buttons. This dashcam supports SD card storage up to 512 GBs, and it came along with a 128 GB SD card. The rear dashcam has a field of view of 130 and it records in 1080p. It has a Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor. Installing this dashcam is very easy. I chose to install it on the top right corner of the windscreen. I sprayed isopropanol onto the windscreen and wiped it dry with the help of a microfiber cloth. And after removing the protective layer on the electrostatic sticker, I applied it onto the windscreen. Make sure to remove any bubbles, and after that, attach the dashcam onto these electrostatic stickers. I repeated the same process for the rear dash cam. I routed the cable with the help of clips, and after that, I inserted the power adapter into the 12-volt power outlet. The camera turned on and it did a whole 360-degree rotation. When you use this dashcam for the first time, you will have to format the SD card. You can access the settings menu using the buttons and the screen, or by downloading the 70My app. For using this app, you will have to make an account. And after that, find the dashcam in the list, turn on the Wi-Fi, search for the 70My camera in the list, put the password in, press the menu navigation button on the dashcam for verification, and that's it, the dashcam is connected to the app. After calibrating the dashcam, you can watch the live view of the front and rear cameras both. But you cannot view both of these cameras simultaneously. With the help of this app, you can also adjust the field of view of this dashcam. By using this app, you can adjust many settings of this dashcam. This dashcam also supports firmware upgrades. You can choose the length of the video clips recorded, and all of these clips are sorted into an album. You can view them and directly transfer them to the phone. For easily viewing clips or finding some specific moment, you can use the timeline mode of this app. This dashcam has inbuilt GPS, so it also records the GPS coordinates along with the video. By using the app, you can also add these special effects to the video. Here you can see the speed, the G-force, distance from other cars, and the angle of the car. For some people, this effect might be very cool, and others might think it's just a gimmick. Personally, I like this effect. Capture inside. You can also control this dashcam using voice commands. Camera reset. Camera left. Capture left. Capture right. Take a selfie. Shoot a vlog. This dash camera picks up the voice commands without any problem. You don't have to repeat the command, and it is very convenient that you can use the features of this dash cam without pressing any button or going through the app. In these clips, you will see that how I used voice commands to control the movement of this dash cam.
Capture left. Captures. Camera reset. Capture left.
Get ready to say hi to the camera.
Now I will show you clips that I recorded using this dash cam in different conditions. Even though it looks pretty dark to the naked eye, in the dash cam, the video is more brighter. The number plates are also legible. The video is really sharp and the colors are amazing. Here again, it seems a little dark to the naked eye, but to the camera, it's bright. The camera has special HDR that makes it possible to record without any pixelation in low light. In the rear camera, you can see that the video is not that bright as the front camera, but it has reasonable amount of sharpness even in low light. There is a big difference between the quality of the front and rear camera, but it is able to capture a reasonable wide view of the rear of the car. The front lens has a 146-degree field of view. You can see all of the lanes of the highway. You can also see the traffic on the opposite side of the highway. Even with this wide view, everything seems sharp. For example, look at the tree leaves. They are still sharp. Usually when the car is moving fast in dash cams, the trees get pixelated. Here in this clip, you can see the performance of this dashcam in overcasted conditions. The number plates are still clear. The video is still sharp. You can see the road signs. You can see the gas station signs. They're all clear and the sharpness is remarkable. Here is another example about the performance of this dashcam. Here you can see a truck is passing me at a very high speed. You can see all the details of the truck. Usually if something is passing you fast, it gets blurred. And if you try to pause it and read something, you get nothing. But here, if you pause it, you will see a sharp image. And you can see the overhead sign on the highway is clear and legible. In this clip, the image might seem bright, but actually it is dark outside and all of the cars are using their headlights. There is some special kind of HDR or special night vision in this dashcam because it is dark outside, but in the dashcam video, you can see it is well lit. And there is almost no loss of sharpness. Here you can see the performance of this dashcam at night time. All of the number plates are clear, sharp and legible, and there is no blurring happening, no pixelation happening. Even though the windscreen is dirty, everything seems clear. Even the trees look sharp. This dashcam has the capability to record in 60 FPS, but in that case, the HDR function will not be used, and it will only work if the rear camera is unplugged. I really like the performance of this dashcam using the 60 FPS mode. Maybe most of the time I will use 60 FPS recording for this dashcam. This dashcam also has ADAS capability, which in my opinion works quite well.
Caution, front car.
Here the dashcam warned me because the car in front of me applied brakes unexpectedly. Here you can see how much sharp the image of this dashcam is. You can see everything in the shop in full detail and all of the text is legible. Here you can see the dashcam is capturing the whole intersection and the video is really sharp. A wide angle of view is very important for intersections. If there is an accident in the intersection and you are impacted indirectly, if a dashcam has a wider viewing angle, it will have a better chance of capturing that accident. To reduce the windscreen reflections and the sun glare, you can use the CPL filter, but you will have to buy it separately. The filter does work effectively against the sun glare, but for reflections, its performance is not that much good. With or without the filter, the reflections on the windscreen are almost the same. And all of the corners in the video have this black vintage effect. This dashcam also has a special parking mode, in which it detects any movement that happens around the car. For that, you will have to hardwire the camera. I tried activating this parking mode using a simple battery pack, but it didn't work. It needs to be hardwired or you need to get a special battery pack that is designed for dashcams. Maybe in the future, I will get a dedicated battery pack for dashcams and test this parking mode and make a whole video about it. This dashcam supports loop recording and time-lapse video as well. This dashcam has a supercapacitor battery. It only holds enough charge to record an emergency video. I am satisfied by the overall performance of this dashcam. For me, it's not just only a dashcam, but it doubles as a travel cam. For example, you see something special when you are driving, you can just use a voice command and the camera will start shooting in that direction. And the video quality is amazing. It's not like the old days when dashcam videos were pixelated and blurry. So this was all about today's review. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. If this video was helpful for you, a like will be really appreciated. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, have a good one.